The Public Health Ministry today received a donation of 1,120 N95 face masks and 15,000 testing kits from the Pan American Health Organization and the Caribbean Conference of Credit Unions in an effort to curtail the spread of COVID-19. Here's more.
We are pleased to present this donation to the ministry, and we are hoping that it helps in the frontline work for those persons who were exposed and for those regions that have been the epicenter leading up or going through this pandemic. In the credit union movement, our motto, one of our mottos, are people helping people. And if we don't reach out in this time of pandemic, we will not be living up to our mottos.
That was the representative director of the Caribbean Confederation of Credit Unions, Carol Harding. Deputy Chief Medical Officer of the Ministry of Public Health, Dr. Karen Gordon-Boyle, spoke on the significance of partnerships in the fight against the coronavirus.
The Ministry of Public Health, we have the people who have the heart, who have the passion to get the job done. But unless they have the necessary tools and resources, we're limited in how effective we can be. And it's really heartwarming to know that we have partners such as you who recognize a need and come forward and live up to expectations and even go beyond. So thank you so much, and you can rest assured that these ample donations will be put to good use.
Dr. Gordon-Boyle encouraged other organizations to join the ministry in promoting a healthier and COVID-19 free Guyana.
I'll use this opportunity, this platform, to encourage others to recognize that we need your support, we need partnerships. We're all in this together, and there is this notion of solidarity in health. Once one person is sick, we all have to suffer, we all have to feel the need, and we all have to respond. Thank you so much.
For InfoHub, Gavin Lewis.